Hello, my favorite sweet tooth friends. Today I want to share with you a very special bread recipe. This is not your regular bread, it's gluten-free, sugar-free, yeast-free, full protein cottage cheese bread. This loaf has an amazing 47 grams of protein, just clean, natural, a few simple ingredients, easy to make. Just mix cottage cheese, gluten-free porridge oats, and an egg. Mix well and add salt, your favorite herbs, baking powder. Mix well. With wet hands, shape the dough, give it a form. Make cuts with a knife. When generously sprinkle seeds on top. I used sesame and sunflower. Just look at this beautiful loaf, golden and crispy on the outside. The recipe works perfectly. I have tested it several times, so you can safely give it a try. Subscribe on the channel, like it, share with your friends and family. It gives me motivation to create new healthy recipes. I only share tried and tested recipes. Thank you in advance. Guys, have you heard how crunchy is this loaf? And so tasty. Can you believe this loaf has 47 grams of protein? I didn't wait for it to cool down. I sliced it right away for lunch. When you have a teenager, it's not always easy to please them, but with this recipe, your teen will definitely say yes, both as a snack and as a side or to the main dish. Getting teenagers off store-bought empty carbs isn't easy, but maybe my 14-year-old son is proof that it works. He absolutely loves it. Imagine, this whole loaf only lasted as 1 day. Both my teen and I highly recommend you try this protein-rich bread. Protein is very important for our body. It helps us grow and repair our muscles and tissues. Teenagers need protein for healthy growth and strong bodies. Adults need protein to keep their muscles and energy. Without enough protein, people can feel weak and tired. I have written the full list of ingredients in the description under the video. I have all of you embrace and love. I wish you slim figures and good health. I don't say goodbye. See you soon.